What's up guys, welcome to the channel. Today we got something that we personally have been thinking about for a while, and finally somebody came up with a solution for it. So what I'm talking about is right here. This thing is pretty awesome because it's going to allow us to hold big bottles and cups. So if you guys have a Nalgene, a Yeti, any of those big bottles, you guys are gonna appreciate this modification here. So this is actually gonna replace what we have inside. So this is our 2017 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro, and let's step inside and show you guys the cup holder. So inside here, this is our factory cup holder. It has this piece that is removable. It basically just adjusts to whatever size cups you guys may have. But if you guys carry something like this is a Hydroflask 40-ounce water bottle, and obviously if you guys have tried this before, it does not fit in there, and sometimes we just let it lay like that. Most of the time we just put it in the passenger seat and it kind of rolls around, so pretty annoying there. It doesn't fit there, obviously it doesn't fit there, and in the doors as well. So with this new cup holder from Z Precision, look at that, fits in there perfectly with a little room to spare, so that's pretty awesome. And in the middle it has that notch, so it will accept the factory centerpiece here. Let's see if I could get that in there. Look at that, it's not loose at all. It fits in there really well, and these flaps still work, so pretty awesome. Look at that, doesn't move or anything. This piece right here is pretty high quality. So, and this guy, Z Precision, Andrew, he's a pretty awesome guy. He made these, he's an engineer, and I'm squeezing it as hard as I can right now, and it does not budge at all. And everything that he put in here, from these lines right here, this notch, everything that he put in here is pretty well thought through, engineered, so that way it keeps the structure, and it's super thick, high quality stuff. So we're going to be swapping ours out today. I'm going to see how big of a difference it is, and we're going to show you guys the full install, obviously. So first thing we got to do, take the shifter off. To take the shifter off, depending if you guys have a Pro or not, we do have a Pro, so this collar has to pop down. You see that? This is the Miso Customs Chrome Delete Kit. It covers the chrome underneath. Once you have that pop down, we just unscrew it. Once you have it fully unscrewed, take it off. Once you have the shifter knob, next up what we need to do, open up the center console lid. Then we're going to pull the e-brake up a little bit. From where the e-brake is, you guys are going to grab right here, and we're going to pull it up like so. And what fell off was the Miso Customs piece. I'm going to set this aside so that way I can remember put it back on a little bit later. But popping that off, you guys saw there, was super easy. I have my pedal commander connected to this, so I'm just going to remove that. Next up, what we need to do is basically feed the boot through here, and then we're going to pull this off as well. Working our way to the front, as you guys can see there, comes completely off. So what I need to do now is just basically work my way up. So once you get to about here, there's one connector right here that we need to disconnect. This is for the shifter. It is just a little white connector. Just squeeze the prong and pull it out. Super easy. And remember, do not pull on this actual wires, pull from the connector. And then over here where the parking brake is, you guys will want to just pull the boot around the actual lever all the way out, and then we will have the entire console out. So that took about maybe 5 minutes at most. So super easy to take out. There's 0 screws to take this out. Literally everything pops out with clips. Now what we will need is a Phillips head. I'm going to use a drill, you guys don't have to. Flip the center console over. Where the cup holder is, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws. Go ahead and take them all out. Once you guys have all 6 of the screws pulled out, then the cup holder, factory one, will pull right out. And looking at the quality of the factory one, it's pretty good, but I think the Z Precision one is much better. It's more solid, which is good because it's going to be holding a lot heavier of a bottle and whatever you guys will be putting in there. So with this, there is a logo right on top there. What we need to do is we just need to lay that closest to the edge right there, and it really will only go in one way, so you can't really mess it up. Then you can put all the factory screws back in. Once we have the new cup holder in, we just got to do everything in reverse. So first thing what we need to do, we'll flip it over. We're gonna feed our parking brake lever back in with the boot. Once you have the boot down far enough, you can pull it down further later once you get everything back in. But once we have that in, we're going to plug in the shifter connector that we pulled out earlier. Then we need to feed the actual shifter in through where we fed it before. Let's go ahead and do the parking lever first, working our way over to here. And we gotta make sure that goes through. I'm gonna put the Chrome Delete back on if you guys have it. If not, that's okay. And then we're going to be looking for where all the clips need to go in, line them up. I'm going to start in the front here, and then you guys should hear them clip as you guys are pushing down, making sure nothing's caught or anything. There we go. You should hear all the clips clip into place, and then you can now pull your boot for your parking cable all the way down if you didn't get it down all the way earlier. Then we're going to install the shifter knob onto the rod again, twist it all the way down, and then we lock it in place by pulling the boot with the collar up. And there it is. That is all done. Now grab your bottle, put it in. If it doesn't fit with this piece, take it off, then put your bottle in. There you go. All right, so now we can fit our 40-ounce Hydroflask, Nalgene, anything you guys that is big can fit in there, and it won't fall when you guys are turning or whatever. And you guys can still use the factory piece here if you guys have a slightly smaller bottle that can use that. You guys can use that with it. Otherwise, you can remove that piece and put your big bottles. Alright guys, that is gonna be it for this modification. If you guys have something that is big like that you guys want to bring with you as far as a water bottle at least, be sure to check out this product down in the link below if you guys want to pick one up. We actually have them in stock right now, and this is a pretty cool, useful product for everyday use. So if you guys are new here, you guys are not subscribed yet, consider subscribing to our channel. We do all sorts of videos based around Toyota trucks. So subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.